So now let us move on to the next question. Question number 31. Read carefully. The area of the parallelogram whose adjacent sides are given by vectors. Let us take as a, I plus k, and another vector 2i plus j plus k is option A root 2, option B root 3, option C 3, option D 4. This is NCERT direct question. Already well known about area of the parallelogram. So area of the parallelogram means what? This is parallelogram. One adjacent side A, another side B. So area of that parallelogram. This is the area. This area is magnitude of A cross B. So using the formula magnitude of, first we have to find out A cross B and then find out magnitude of A cross B. Okay, this is NCERT direct question without change of numerical value. KCET asks this question. Okay, so solve this question by using the formula. First we have to find out A cross B. So A cross B is equal to determinant. First row contains I, J, K. Second row scalar components of A. This is A, vector A. I coefficient 1, J coefficient here 0, K coefficient 1. And third row contains scalar components of B. This is B, vector B. I coefficient 2, J coefficient 1, K coefficient 1. So solve this equation. A cross B is equal to, expand this determinant along the first row. So I delete first row, first column, remaining 2 cross 2 determinants 1 0 0 minus 1 minus second element minus J of delete first row, second column, remaining 2 cross 2 determinants 1 1 is 1 minus 2 1 is 2 plus last element K cap, delete first row, third column, remaining 2 cross 2 determinants 1 1 is 1 minus 0. So A cross B is equal to I minus I, next 1 minus 2, minus 1 minus into minus plus J plus K 1 is K. Okay, this is A cross B. So we have to find out magnitude of A cross B, we get the required area. So required area is equal to magnitude of A cross B. So magnitude means what? Square root of sum of the squares of the scalar components of A cross B. Okay, square root of sum of the squares of the scalar components. So scalar components are first one minus 1, second one plus 1, third one plus 1. Minus 1 square plus 1 plus 1 square 1, again plus 1 square 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1 3. So this is root 3. Okay, so answer root 3. So good answer. So therefore option B is correct. So take down. So now let us move on to the next question. Question number 32. So read carefully. If A and B are two unit vectors, very important. A and B are two unit vectors inclined at an angle pi by 3. Angle between these two vectors is pi by 3. Then value of magnitude of A plus B. We have to find out value of magnitude of A plus B. So is greater than 1 or less than 1 or equal to 1 or equal to 0. Basically these problems depends on the chapter vector, particularly angle between the vector and also magnitude of the vector. Okay, so using the formula, in real number we very well known about A plus B whole square is equal to what? A square plus B square plus 2AB. The same way we can write magnitude of A plus B. So magnitude of A plus B whole square can be written as magnitude of A square plus magnitude of B square plus 2 into A dot B. So using this formula we have to find out magnitude of A plus B whole square first and then remove the square, we get the answer A plus B. And also one more formula A dot B. So A dot B is equal to here magnitude of A into magnitude of B into cos theta. So using these these two formulas, we have to find out magnitude of A plus B. So now let us move on to the magnitude of A plus B whole square formula. First write down A plus B whole square is equal to magnitude of A square plus magnitude of B square plus 2 into A dot B. So substitute the value first A dot B. So A magnitude of A square magnitude of B square plus 2 into magnitude of A into magnitude of B into cos theta. So in the problem given A and B are two unit vectors. So in this case given data magnitude of A and also magnitude of B both are equal to the 1, it is given, and also given theta is equal to what? So in this case theta is pi by 3. So all these three values substitute, we get the required answer. Substitute A, magnitude of A and magnitude of B and theta. So magnitude of A 1 square 1, magnitude of B is also 1 square 1 plus 2 magnitude of A into B 1 into 1 1. So and then theta cos of pi by 3 cos 60 degree. So cos 60 degree equal to 1 by 2. So we know that the values of cos 60 degree nothing but cos pi by 3 is equal to 1 by 2. So substitute 1 plus 2 into 1 by 2. So 2 get cancelled, 1 plus 1 plus 1 3. So here magnitude of A plus B whole square is equal to 3. So this is not an answer because we have to find out magnitude of A plus B. So remove the square, we get the answer A plus B is equal to, of course, plus or minus square root of 3. So in this case magnitude is there, only we take plus root 3. Okay, so answer is plus root 3. So in this case answer is not there in these options. So plus root 3 is greater than 1, but it is not less than 1, and it is not equal to 1, and it is not equal to 0. So which option is correct? Plus root 3 is greater than 1. Option A is correct. So therefore option A is correct. So that's all. Take down. Now let us move on to the next question. Question number 33. Once again KCT asks on the basis of chapter vector. So usually 3 to 4 questions as KCT in KCT. So there are 4 questions are there. So the only remaining third question we take. So the value of the scalar triple product A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. So basically this problem depends on the scalar triple product. So using the formula scalar triple product, we know that the formula alpha, beta, cross gamma. So alpha, vector alpha dot, vector beta cross vector gamma, scalar triple product can be written as magnitude of modular. Determinant of first row contains alpha scalar components, second row contains beta scalar components, third row contains gamma scalar components. Okay. So using this formula, we have to find out the value of A minus B, B minus C, and C minus A. So once again, write down the scalar triple product of this value A minus B, B minus C, C minus A can be written as A minus B dot B minus C cross C minus A. So first simplify this B minus C cross C minus A. So using cross product. So in the cross product, nothing but determinant. So in the determinant, any two rows are identical, value becomes vanished. In the same way, simplify these values. So a minus b dot b cross c, first b cross c, s b cross c. Next, my plus into minus, minus b cross a, b cross a. Next, minus into plus, minus. Of course, in c repeated 2 times, the value becomes vanishes. Do not write this c cross a. Next, move on to the minus into minus plus. So here c cross a, c cross a. Close the bracket. So now point wise multiplication. Scalar triple product is obtained in this case. So once again, scalar triple product is a determinant. If any two rows or columns are identical, value of the determinant becomes 0. So in the same case, here any two vectors are identical, value of the scalar triple product is 0 or vanish. So in this case, a dot b cross a, no vectors are repeated, write down a dot b cross c. Next, a dot b cross a, here a is repeated 2 times, value becomes 0, so we cannot write. Next, move on to the plus into plus plus, again a dot c cross a, here also a is repeated 2 times, value becomes 0. So next, minus into plus minus, so here also b dot b cross c, b repeated 2 times, value becomes 0. Next, minus into minus plus, b dot b cross c, here also b repeated 2 times, value becomes 0, cannot write. So last one, minus into plus minus, here b dot c cross a, so b dot c cross a, vector in cyclic form. So it is correct. BCA, b dot c cross a is equal to, we know that this is the formula, a dot b cross c equal to b dot c cross a equal to c dot a cross b. Vectors are in cyclic, the values are same, all these values are same, hence this can be written as this. Okay, so now a dot of b cross c minus this can also be written as this type, a dot of b cross c. Here same quantity repeated 2 times in with the opposite signs, cancel each other, value becomes 0. Scalar triple product value 0. So answer is 0. It is the direct answer, direct NCERT question. So standard result ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ 0 ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ NCERT ಬುಕ್ ಅನ್ನೇ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ NCERT ಇಂದ. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 20 to 25 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ NCERT ಬುಕ್ ಇಂದ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಓದಿ. ಸೊ ಟೇಕ್ ಡೌನ್. So now let us move on to the next question, question number 34. So read carefully. If x plus y less than or equal to 2 in equation, x is greater than or equal to 0 and y is also greater than or equal to 0, non-negative constraints. These are the constraints, these are non-negative constraints. The point at which maximum value of 3x plus 2y attained will be. This is very easy question. Okay, so basically this question depends on the chapter LPP, linear programming problem. This is z, objective function. This is objective function z. Okay, here in this case z is equal to what? 3x plus 2 into y. Okay, so which is optimized, either maximum or minimum. So in this case maximum, you have to find out maximum value of z. Okay, so corner point ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ either maximum or minimum value exist ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರೆಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್, so which corner points optimizes this function, either maximum or minimum, you have to find out. Okay, so check one by one. First option A. So first option A, 0, 0 x y. So this implies z is equal to 3 into 0, 0 plus 2 into 0, 0 is equal to 0. Take second example, second option, 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2, 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2, substitute z to the z, 3 into 1 by 2 plus 2 into 1 by 2, so you have to cancel, 3 by 2 plus 1 is equal to 5 by 2, nothing but 2.5. So next option C, take 0 comma 2, 0 comma 2, this implies z is equal to 3 into 0 plus 2 into 2, it becomes 4. So last option, 2 comma 0, this implies z is equal to 3 into 2 plus 2 into 0, it becomes 6. So among these values, which one is maximum? So 2 comma 0, at 2 comma 0 it takes maximum value, so therefore maximum of z is equal to 6. So which option is correct? Option D is correct. Okay, so therefore option D is correct. So very easy question, simple question, so take out. Now let us move on to the next question. Question number 35. If sin theta equal to sin alpha, then which of the following option is holds good? Okay. So basically this chapter, this question depends on the chapter trigonometry, particularly general solution of the trigonometry, and also little bit trigonometric identities formula, sin c minus sin d. So sin alpha ni kada move madidre sin c sin theta minus sin alpha agutte. We know that sin c minus sin d, using the sin c minus sin d formula we have to find out the theta plus alpha by 2 what value and theta minus alpha by 2 is what value. Okay, so using this condition, given condition, sin theta is equal to sin alpha. So sin alpha move towards left hand side, it becomes sin theta minus sin alpha equal to the 0. So we know that the formula sin c minus sin d equal to the 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. So in the same way, in the place of c theta is there, d in the place of d alpha is there. Okay, so write down 2 cos of theta plus alpha by 2 into sin of theta minus alpha by 2 equal to the 0. If product of two terms equal to the 0, equate each term is equal to 0. So in this case here 2 is not equal to 0, so this implies cos theta plus alpha by 2 equal to 0, or sin of theta minus alpha by 2 equal to 0. So in this case, cos of any angle equal to 0, that angle is odd integral multiples of pi by 2. Okay, so this becomes theta plus alpha divided by 2 is odd integral multiple of pi by 2. Okay, so next, sin of angle equal to 0, angle becomes integral multiples of pi. So sin n pi is always 0 using this condition. So we have to write down the value theta minus alpha by 2 is any integral multiple of pi. Any integral multiple of pi. So r. So ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆದ್ರೂ ಇದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ 0 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, so answer is theta plus alpha by 2 is odd integral multiples of pi by 2, or theta minus alpha by 2 is any integral multiples of pi. So here r is there in any option. In this case r is not there. Okay, and also and. Okay, so any option match this answer, so it is wrong options. KCT ಗ್ರೇಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಈ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಜೊತೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ಆರ್ ಬರಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಎರಡು ಆದರೆ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಆಗಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಮೋರ್ ನೀವು ಹಿಂಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು ಇದನ್ನ. theta plus alpha by 2 is odd integral multiples of pi by 2. So any odd multiples of pi by 2, okay. So is theta minus alpha by 2 is any multiples of pi. So in this case theta plus alpha by 2 is any even multiples of pi by 2. Wrong. This is also wrong. So any multiples of pi by 2, no, wrong. So any multiples of pi by 2, it is also wrong. Okay. So any option match with this answer. So wrong options grace marks award agide. So take down. So now let us move on to the next question. Question number 36. If tan x is equal to 3 by 4, okay. So x lies from pi to 3 pi by 2, nothing but third quadrant. Then the value of cos x by 2 is equal to, we have to find out the value of cos x by 2. So basically this problem depends on trigonometry, okay. So in trigonometry KCT has every year 1 to 2 questions. So 1 or 2 questions ಅನ್ನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು cos of x by 2 ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So already we know about cos of x by 2 formula. Cos of x by 2 is equal to what? Plus or minus square root of 1 plus cos x divided by 2. So using this formula we have to find out cos x by 2. Okay. So in this case we choose either plus or minus depend upon x by 2 lies in which quadrant. Okay. ಯಾವ quadrant ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ plus or minus depend ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So in this case we have to find out cos x by 2. First we find out cos x, okay, using the condition tan x is equal to 3 by 4. So first given data is tan x is equal to 3 divided by 4. So x lies in pi to 3 pi by 2, third quadrant. So here x is between pi to 3 pi by 2, third quadrant. So this implies x by 2 nothing but pi by 2 to 3 pi by 4. So x by 2 lies between pi by 2 to 3 pi by 4, nothing but second quadrant. Okay. So using Pythagoras triplets we have to find out cos x. Pythagoras take one right angle triangle. This is x. Okay, this is right 90 degree angle. Tan x nothing but what? Opposite by adjacent, 3 4. So remaining using Pythagoras triplets 5. So then write down cos x is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse means 4 divided by 5. 4 divided by 5. So here in this case cos x is equal to 4 by 5, but it takes either plus or minus. Okay. So depend upon x values. X lies in pi to 3 pi by 2, nothing but third quadrant. In third quadrant cos is negative. So cos x takes values minus 4 divided by 5. So using this value we have to find out cos of x by 2. So in this case cos of x by 2, here x by 2 lies between pi by 2 to 3 by 4, nothing but second quadrant. In second quadrant once again cos is negative. So only we take negative values. Okay. So cos x here in this case minus square root of 1 plus cos of x by 2 is equal to minus square root of 1 plus cos x divided by 2. So substitute the value of cos x, we get the required answer. Minus square root of 1 minus 4 divided by 5 divided by 2. So minus square root of 5 minus 4, 1 divided by 5 2s are 10. Okay. So now minus 1 divided by square root of 10 is the required answer. Good answer. So option here in this case option minus 1 by root 10, option C is correct. Okay. So therefore Option C is correct. So take note. So now let us move on to the next question. Question number 37. In a triangle ABC, okay. So we have to find out A into B cos C minus C into cos B. So ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಯಾವುದು ಬೇರೆದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನಾಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಇನ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗುಲರ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮಿಸ್ಲಿನಿಯಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ಅದು ನೀವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಏನು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗುಲರ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ? ಓಕೆ, so here in this case a triangle, take A B C. So angle A opposite side BC nothing but small a length. Angle B opposite side AC length small b. Angle C opposite side length small c. So cosine rule, sine rule, tan rule ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ. So using in this case cosine rule, because we have to find out b into cos c. So first find the value cos c and cos b. So in this case cos a, write down cos a value. Cos a in terms of a b c. Okay, so what is the formula? Well known about this formula. So in this case b square plus c square minus a square divided by 2bc. So one trick is there here. In this case we write the cos a value. So my a angle a opposite side a minus a square, remaining b and c, b square plus c square divided by 2 into bc. In the same way we can write bc, b and c. So cos b ek baribodu. So b minus b square, so remaining a and c, a square plus c square divided by 2ac. So in the same way we can write cos c is equal to minus c square, remaining two sides a b, a square plus b square divided by 2ab. So using these cosine rules we have to find out the value of a into b cos c minus c into cos b. Okay, so in this case a into b cos c, this is capital C, small b small a, minus small c cos of capital B. So substitute the value cos c and cos b, cos c and cos b. Okay, so a into b cos c value becomes a square plus b square minus c square divided by 2ab minus c, and substitute the value cos b, a square plus b square minus c square, a square plus c square minus b square minus b square divided by 2ac. Okay, so multiply these two terms by a, we get ab into a square plus b square minus c square divided by 2ab minus a into c, ac, a square plus c square minus b square divided by 2ac. Okay, so here ac get cancelled and ab get cancelled, remaining a square plus b square minus c square divided by 2 minus a square plus c square minus b square divided by 2. So here 2 is the LCM, take 2 LCM. So in both two term 2 is the common term, so subtract these two numerators directly. A square plus b square minus c square minus a square minus c square plus b square. So here in this case a plus a square minus a square cancel each other, so remaining b square plus b square 2b square minus c square minus 2c square divided by 2. So in both numerator and denominator 2 is common, so cancel each other, so remaining answer b square minus c square. So good answer. Which option is correct? Option D is correct. Okay, so therefore option D is correct. Okay, take up. So now let us move on to the question number 38. Question number 38 in this case, if alpha and beta are two different complex numbers with magnitude of beta is equal to 1, then we have to find out the modulus of beta minus alpha divided by 1 minus conjugate of alpha into beta is equal to what? So either it may be 0 or 1 or 1 by 2 minus 1, whatever it may be. Okay, this is NCERT direct question. NCERT miscellaneous question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಮಿಸ್ಲಿನಿಯಸ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್, ಬಟ್ ಲೆಂತಿ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಇದು. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಇದರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸೊ ಲೆಂತಿ ಇದೆ. ತ್ರೀ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಏನೋ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಹೇಗೆ? ಸೊ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಟೂ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬೀಟಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾ. ಸೊ ಯೂಶಲಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. Already well known about all the real numbers are complex numbers, but all complex numbers are not real numbers. We take real numbers. Here in this case alpha and beta take real numbers because all real numbers are complex numbers. Okay. So if you take let alpha. So alpha is equal to 0. 0 is real number of course, but it is complex number. Okay. So beta. Beta magnitude of beta must should be 1. Hence we take 1. 1 is also complex number, but magnitude of beta is equal to 1. Okay. So next, if you need here conjugate of alpha. Okay, conjugate of alpha means what? It is also 0 because 0 real number is there. Here complex number is real number, hence conjugate alpha is also 0. So substitute alpha, beta and conjugate of alpha in this equation, we get the required answer. So beta minus alpha divided by 1 minus conjugate of alpha into beta equal to beta. What is the beta value? 1. Here in this case we take a complex number beta is 1 minus alpha 0 divided by 1 as it is. Conjugate of alpha is also 0 and beta is 1. So simply we can write 1 minus 0 1 divided by 1 minus 0 1. So it is equal to the 1. Value of this term is 1. So simply we can find out this problem, the value of this problem. Okay. So very easy. ಯಾವಾಗ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ನಾವೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಥರದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸುಮಾರು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತವೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ. ನಾವೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಲಿ ಈ ಥರ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ 1. Nothing but option B. Therefore option B is correct. Option B is correct. So take that. So now let us move on to the question number 39. The set of A contains elements x such that modulus of 2x plus 3 less than 7. So basically this problem depends on the linear inequation in first year. Okay. So and also set, it is a mixture of inequation and set chapter. Okay, is equal to what? So whatever it may be, one option is correct in this case. So solve this inequation using the inequation formula and then find out which option is correct. So okay, we know that one formula, modulus of alpha, whatever it may be, alpha less than A. So this equal to alpha greater than minus A less than plus A. So using this formula we have to find out x values. So take given data A, it is the set of all element x such that modulus of 2x plus 3 less than 7. So compare these two equations. In the place of alpha what is there? 2x plus 3 is there. In place of A what is there? 7 is there. So we can write once again 2x plus 3 greater than minus C, nothing but minus 7 less than plus 7. So we have to find out x value. Okay. So no one option match in this answer. So we have to find out x value. So remove the 3 and 2. So how can you remove? So in this case, add all the term by minus 3. So minus 3 add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ in equation ಏನು change ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವಾಗ change ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? When in equation changes, multiply all the term by negative term or divided by negative term. Okay. So here add all the term by what? Minus 3. No changes. Minus 7 minus 3 minus 10 less than 2x plus 3 minus 3 cancel less than 7 minus 3 4. Okay. So no one option match with this answer. So once again simplification is there. So next move on to the x set that here remove the 2. So divided by all the term by 2. So positive term divide ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು in equation ಏನು change ಆಗಲ್ಲ. So divided by all the term by 2 minus 10 by 2 minus 5 less than 2 to get cancel x again less than 4 by 2 2. Okay. So here in this case no one option match with this answer. So once again small change is there. So maybe C option is correct. Add all the term by plus 5. Minus 5 plus 5 0. X plus 5. 5 plus 2 7. Okay. So in this case x set that all the term add by plus 5 in equation does not alter. Minus 5 plus 5 becomes 0 less than x plus 5 less than 2 plus 5 7. So answer is a is equal to set of all element x set that x plus 5 greater than 0 less than 7, which is correct with the option C. Okay. So therefore option C is correct. Okay, take down. So now let us move on to the next question, question number 40. So this question depends on the chapter permutation combination. Okay, but in particularly fundamental principle of counting ಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. So read the question well. How many 5 digit, okay, how many 5 digit telephone numbers can be constructed using the digits 0 to 9? 0 to 9 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 10 digit ಇದೆ, ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 9 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So 0 to 9, if each number starts with 67, very important, ಪ್ರತಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು? 67, and no digit appears more than once. Repetition is not allowed in this case. Okay, repetition is not allowed. So this is exactly direct question without change numerical value. Direct ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಬಂದು KCT ನಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಬಂದು ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ how many digit telephone number you can find out? 5 digit telephone number. So take 5 box. 1 2 3 4 5. This method is fundamental principle of counting. On the basis of fundamental principle of counting ಮೇಲೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಸೊ ಪ್ರತಿ ಟೆಲಿಫೋನ್ ನಂಬರು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದರಿಂದ? 67 ಇಂದ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ start with 6 and also 7, first 2 numbers, remaining 3 numbers ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. So carefully observe ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. No digit appears more than once in this case. Okay, so how many digits are available? 10. 0 to 9. Here available digits are 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So how many numbers total? 10. Total 10. Okay, so in this case 6 already fill up, 7 is already fill up. In how many ways? One ways, only one ways. Fixed elements. So next box fill with remaining elements because no digit appears more than once. Remaining elements, how many remaining elements? Total 10, removes 2, you remaining 8. Okay, 8 numbers filled by the box 3. So next repetition is not allowed, remaining 7. Next repetition is not allowed, remaining 6. Okay, so by using fundamental principle of counting, all these ways are multiplied, we get the required answer. So required ways is equal to, using the fundamental principle of counting, 1 into 1 into 8 into 7 into 6. Okay, so answer is 336. Okay, good answer. Therefore option A is correct. So take the